Want to build stunning interactive content blocks without touching a single line of code? Today, we are mastering the ElementsKit Image Box, the ultimate tool for professional layouts. Before we start, everything you see today is done using the free version of Elementor and the free ElementsKit Lite Pro results on a $0 budget. Efficiency is king. ElementsKit gives you a massive library of ready-made templates. Just browse, click Insert, and you have a pixel-perfect layout ready for your content. It's the ultimate shortcut for tight deadlines. Here, I'm searching for an image box template. Choose the one you need and then just insert. But if you want total creative control, building from scratch is just as easy. Let's break down how to craft your own unique UI. Here, in the Content tab, upload your media images or icons. You can choose your images from the media library and update your header and body text. See, here you can change the title and also the description as well. Can you see the button here, which is badge button? Here, it's perfect for highlighting new features or trending services. Add your link here and your foundation is set. Now for the UI UX deep dive. Under the Style tab, we will run the image corners for a modern look. Use typography to create a clear visual hierarchy. See, there are the settings. You can change the font size, the height, and there's a margin as well. Need more power? There are advanced settings available where you can play with entrance animations and custom masking. Definitely give those a look for that extra wow factor. Design must be flawless on every device. A quick check in responsive mode ensures your padding and alignment are optimized for mobile tablet users. So you can change it like that. Well, so that was it. From templates to custom builds, the ElementsKit Image Box is a powerhouse for web designers. Like this video if it helped your workflow. Subscribe for more and go build something great.